welcome back to our Softcream Adventures. I'm Celine from Tokyo Weekender. Today we are here at Shiga Prefecture to check out some of its famous tourist spots and to try a very delicious local soft cream flavor. And right behind me you see the Lake Biwa, the largest freshwater lake of all Japan. And there are many things to do around Lake Biwa, like many activities like swimming, kayaking and other outdoor activities. So we're going to walk around a bit and later on we're going to visit Kurokabe Square. And this video is sponsored by Nissei. Thank you very much. And do you know how to tell a shop is offering Nissei soft cream? So yeah, there's going to be a big plastic soft cream cone placed in front of it, but cones can differ, so there's even a more surefire way to tell if a shop is offering Nissei soft cream, and it is the spotting their two mascots, Nick-kun and Sei-chan. So the retro-looking boy and girl character of Nissei are like very nostalgic childhood throwback for most Japanese people. Alright, it's time to start our new adventure in Shiga. Let's go! Kurokabe Square, located in the former castle town area of Nagahama Castle, is a sightseeing spot where traditional buildings are carefully preserved. This area has streets lined with Japanese-style buildings of the Edo and Meiji periods housing cultural facilities such as galleries, art glass studios, together with restaurants and cafes. Approximately 2 million people visit here every year, making this the most popular sightseeing spot in Shiga Prefecture. Now we are at Kurokabe and we're going to try Kurokabe soft cream made from bamboo charcoal. Let's go and try it. Kurokabe is the gateway for customers coming to Kurokabe Square. Whether it is morning, lunchtime or afternoon tea time, they provide a casual space where customers can relax and enjoy the delicious products made with a local Kurokabe theme. Wow, can you please look at that? Oh my god! It is pitch black, right? I mean, it's blacker than I thought it would be. Very nice looking. Look at this, so beautiful. And do you know why is it black? Well, first, it is made from bamboo charcoal. Yes, that's the first reason. But also, so the name of the cafe is Kurokabe, right? And Kuro literally means dark or black in Japanese. So, perfect color, no? And I've never tried, I never tasted bamboo charcoal before, so I don't know how it tastes like. So it's gonna be my first time trying bamboo charcoal. And I know that it's very good for your skin. I love like bamboo charcoal face masks. And I also know that it has many like minerals inside. It's very rich in minerals. So it is also very good for your body, for your health. So I can't wait to try it. Let's see the taste. Okay, here we go. It's so familiar. What is that? Oh, it's dark chocolate. Yeah. Oh my god, I love dark chocolate. Wow, it's so delicious. Very milky. It's like a mixture of milk and dark chocolate. Wow, so tasty. What is that? The great thing here. It looks like a cookie actually. I don't know. Maybe senbei? Let's try it. Let's put some soft cream on it. Wow, can you see how smooth is that? Look at this. All right, and now let's try. What is that? Well, it's definitely not salty. Like, it has a very light, sweet taste. I like it. Wow, how soft it is. Look at that. I really like chocolate. I can just eat this all day. And I know some people don't like dark chocolate, but don't worry because it's like, it has a dark chocolate taste, yes, but very milky. So it's sweet actually, so you're gonna like it. Alright, so you see, it could get a bit messy, and if you're worried about that, you can also try it with spoon. Look at that. Here we go. It's so good. I really like that. I mean, who doesn't like chocolate, no? And I heard that like Kurokabe is especially very crowded at weekends, but they have seats outside as well, so you can just take out your soft cream and eat there. So good. So yummy, I like it. Kurokabe Square is home to the Kurokabe Glass Museum, a renewal of a wooden Western-style building built as a bank in 1900. Visitors can enjoy strolling, shopping, and a variety of hands-on classes while viewing the retro location that retains the atmosphere of those days. Today, we will try our hand at cutting glass and make our own souvenir. Look at that! I can't believe I made that. And the teacher is very helpful, so you don't have to worry. He will help you, and then you can make your own souvenir just like this one, and you can bring back good memories from Shiga. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you enjoy your day in Shiga Prefecture, and let us know in the comments below, would you like to give Kurokabe soft cream a try? If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!